They're not taking it too bad because us older guys are teaching them how to deal with it. We just tell them, man, the next week we got to work harder. Ain't no playing in the meeting rooms. No talking when the coach is talking. Everything's going to get tighter and stricter around here, and that's on the team. That's from the older guys. That's not even from the coaches. That's the older guys. Because we want to win.
Practice today. That comes down to practices, how you guys kind of conduct practices as well. The coaches are there, but I feel like you and Sam are kind of in charge of tightening some of these guys up, especially at practice.
Oh, yeah, like if a guy not running to the ball, because Coach CJ harp on that a lot, run to the ball, because that's what we do. Because we're a smaller defense, so we all got to swarm. And so if a guy not running to the ball, we're going to get him off the field. But these young guys, they run to the ball, so there's nothing to fuss at, It's just sometimes when later on in the practice, when they get tired, a lot of guys start to forget and start to slack up and not run. But, that's something we got to deal with.
What was practice like today?
Practice was good today. It was like a faster practice. I like how we ran around them on both sides of the ball. Even the defensive line was running around. Royce had a great practice today. I like how he practiced today.
Nice. Royce?
Yeah, Royce had a great practice.